la la. Come along, time for fun and a silly song. Hoot, hoot, goes blue owl. Woke up thinking it's night somehow. La la la, what's that sound? Silliness is all around. The sun popped up with the moon in sight, and ducks climb trees with all their might. La la la, that's not right. Ducks don't climb, they take flight. The cow said meow, the cat said moo. La la, what a view. Toot his moose and a cock-a-doodle-doo. A pig went quack and flapped its ear, and sheep honked loud to all who hear. La la la, what a farm. Silly sounds and silly charm. Goat spun round and yelled wee. The barn was laughing secretly. La la la, let's explore what strange sounds are in store. With magnifying glass and wing, he checked each sound and everything. La la la, smart and wise, solving farmyard sound surprise. Goose gave chase with honk and flaps. Blue owl bounced in a haystack trap. La la la, bounced so high, feathers flying in the sky. Animals all began to cheer and made the right sounds far and near. La la la, what a cheer. Now the right sounds fill the air. They hugged and laughed and rolled around. That was the silliest day I've found. La la la, time to play. Come back soon for another day.